Welcome to Pom in Oz Reviews, reviewing the world from down under.
Hey, g'day legends. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you very much for joining me today. If you're new here, thank you for clicking on the thumbnail and checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you very much for your support. Everything is growing, the channel is growing, I'm getting good positive feedback, lots of emails, and yeah, I'm absolutely blown away. So thank you very much for all of you that are coming back and following this channel. I hope I'm doing a job for you. I hope I can bring you plenty more in the future. Right now, I just wanted to quickly talk about, this is just going to be a short video, from a company called Journey. If you look through my channel, you'll see that I've actually had quite a few items from this company. I am in no way affiliated with them. They're not sending me anything for free. I just happen to like a lot of their products. And the reason I wanted to bring this to you today is because there's an offer on their website for these locate trackers. So these devices work with the Apple Find My system, but they're actually branded and distributed by Journey, which is an Australian company based out of Melbourne. So checking on the prices recently, looking on the Apple website, the standard AirTag that we've all come to know and love, I think I have about 6 of them. These are still running on the Apple website for about $50 each. So it depends on how you look at it, whether that $50 is justified because of the protection that they afford you. You know, when you can attach them to anything and locate it using the Find My network, which is obviously a very powerful network now. One of the downfalls I found when I first had these is if I wanted to attach them to keys or any loose items, I would actually have to buy a case for them, some kind of sleeve. So I obviously picked up a few of these on Amazon, and these are just little soft plastic sleeves or rubber sleeves, sorry, that you just place the AirTag inside them, and they come with a key ring. Obviously a good idea, but if you're going to buy a handful of them, they're going to, be running into a bill of a couple $100, and then you've obviously got to buy all these on top. It's adding to the cost. So Journey have come up with a nice novel little idea, which they call the LOC8 Finder Fob. And like I say, it works with the Apple Find My network. I believe they do have some new ones coming out that are universal. I will check up on this and drop it in a description later, but I believe they are bringing out a new generation of these that work with the Google network as well. So they're going to be cross-compatible with Apple and Google. At least I'm hoping so, because I don't think, Google, Samsung, with their systems, they should be pushed aside. I think everyone should be able to share this technology. I know Google and Apple work quite closely together when they're sharing the Apple Find My network. You're able to use Android phones, or Apple are able to use Android phones within the Find My network in order to keep these tracking and located. So I believe it works both ways. So it'd be nice to see that these companies now start acknowledging that and bringing out devices that work with, on both sides of the wall. They work with Apple and they work with Google. So like I say, this is a company that I've, worked with a couple of times. One of the last reviews I did was this bottle. Again, as I explained, I'm in Australia. I work outside. I'm in the blinding heat all the time. And I was looking for a bottle that would keep my water cold, which this absolutely does for as long as I need it. I am filling it up 3 or 4 times a day, so I don't really get a chance to judge whether it lasts all day on a single bottle. But every time I drink it, it's freezing cold. And the reason for this is it does have a built-in tracker. Again, as I said in my video, I've lost so many bottles over months and years. They cost an absolute fortune when you have to keep on buying them. This one I've now lost twice, and I've managed to recover just because it works with the Apple Find My network. So I haven't lost this bottle yet now since the last review, and this is probably the longest I've managed to keep hold of one. So yeah, that's one of the items. Another item I had from Journey is this passport wallet. Again, for us as a family later on traveling to England and things like that, I wanted something that again is completely trackable. So this is their wallet. It's chargeable, built into the Find My network, lasts for absolutely months on a charge, does everything an AirTag does. It still rings, still makes a noise when you want to locate it. And yeah, fully compatible, exactly like the AirTags. Another one of their devices which I've actually enjoyed is their charger and laptop sleeve. So this I keep just really for my MacBook Air. 15-inch MacBook Air fits in there absolutely perfectly. Plug a USB-C cable into that and you can charge your phone on it and you can charge your AirPods, and this is all part of the laptop sleeve. Again, you can use it as a glorified mouse mat if you want to. You can turn it over or you can keep it on that side, use it as a laptop stand. But yeah, very versatile bit of kit. Again, comes from Journey. Have no issues with it. Materials, absolutely lovely. The stitching is lovely. Nothing has come apart on this. So yeah, a few of their products I've had and they've all been good. Nothing has broken, nothing has just not worked. They've all been great. The thing is with these, right now, they're doing them on their website and they're doing them for 50% off. So, like I say, the normal AirTags run in at about $50 each, and these run up at $70 for a dual pack. So you actually get two of these for the cost of an extra $20 over the cost of one of these. Does exactly the same thing. The only thing I have noticed between the two is, although it does have a long battery life, it is rated for about a year. And I believe AirTags are rated for about 2 years. So that is pretty much the only difference I could see between the two. But the one thing that attracted me is obviously if you look at the shape of them, they're quite small and discreet, but they actually come with a built-in case. So you're already able to attach these directly to your keys or a dog collar or anything else, you know, a rucksack, using a metal ring on there. You don't have to buy any extras for it. They're already there. They're built into a little plastic case. So the battery is replaceable. I will look into it and find out for you exactly what model of battery it will need. But it says it's just a coin-sized battery in there. It works up to 20 meters, I believe, on Bluetooth range. Fully compatible with the Apple's Find My network. It has a tracker ringtone, which is rated up to 60 decibels. So if you do happen to be within 20 meters and you want to ring the bell, exactly like one of these, it will ring. This is water and dust resistant as well. So again, if you're going to use, I've seen a lot of people now using these kind of things on their animals to track the movements of their animals and things like that. Yeah, it's an absolute go because it's a built-in system. It's not likely to, you know, be maneuvered around and fall out of the holder. This is one complete unit. The dimensions of these are 45mm by 45mm and they're 11mm thick. So yeah, I wanted to do a quick unboxing for you, show you these guys quickly. I'll pair them up to my phone and we'll see how they go. Okay, Journey, find your items with a locate fob. So obviously you're going to get the standard instructions on the back. Keep them out of reach of children. Obviously there has been a big influx into hospitals with children swallowing these small batteries. They're getting them stuck in their throats. Really dangerous. You know, if you're a parent, you know, whatever you do, be sensible with these kinds of things. I'm a parent, you know, and you really do have to think about what the little fellas are getting up to. So it's just saying on here, use lost mode. If you can't find your locate fob, enable lost mode, and this will trigger the Find My app notification when your fob is nearby. Tap continue, follow the on-screen steps to finish setting up lost mode. Changing the battery, unscrew the cover on the back side of the locate fob, twist and open, remove the old battery, and it's a CR2032 coin cell battery, which I believe is the same battery that comes with the Apple AirTags. Put the cover on the back, twist it clockwise, locks it, and then replace the screw in the back. So there you go. That's the two fobs. There's their presentation in the box. Again, I quite like the layout of this. They've made it into a book style. So pretty much as soon as you open it, your instructions are right there in front of you. Very easy to read, very clear, all in plain English. and it will just, rather than picking up one of these leaflets and expecting you to read the small print, which pretty much no human on earth does, this places it right in front of you. It's the first thing you see, so you're much more likely, you know, to have a look at the instructions as you go along. So obviously it's recommended you make sure your phone is updated to the latest version of iOS. Activate your Bluetooth, press the locate fob button once, and you can see there it's just on the side. The beeping that follows indicates your device is ready for pairing. Open the Apple Find My app, tap on plus, select add other item, bring up the locate fob on your screen for pairing, and then that's it. You give it a name, go through the setup, it attaches it to your Apple account, and that's it. It's literally, it will behave exactly like a standard AirTag. So obviously, as you'll see on these, they come with a little plastic film, and that is just keeping the circuit open from the battery. So once you pull that out, there's your beep. It closes the circuit. So now that is live. Again, great idea. It's been going for years. It stops any unnecessary battery drainage while these are in storage, you know, waiting to be sold. It's literally, it just keeps the connection open, and it closes it when you remove that film. So other little bits you get, again, keep out of reach of children, standard Australian warranty, FCC compliance, radiation, innovation science, just your usual stuff. Nothing else in the box. So I'll go ahead and go through the pairing process with you. And we'll go to Apple Find My. Click on plus. And then we're going to press the button once. Other item. Okay, as you can see there on the screen, it shows the locate fob. So you click on connect. So we're going to enter a name. I'm going to name it my car keys. And then, as the usual, you choose an emoji. So I'm just going to type in car, and we'll just go for a little blue car there for the emoji. Click on continue. It's linked to my account. So again, everything else is exactly the same as you'll get with the Apple AirTags. Your direction in maps. View this item on a map and use the Maps app to navigate to it. Play a sound. Find your item by playing a sound from your phone. Lost mode. If you lose your item, you can leave a message and phone number for the person who finds it. And then share your item. Allow others to locate your item in Find My. So we click on finish. So show me the battery is fully charged. And that's it. So I will just, for the benefits of this microphone, play the sound. There you go. Click on stop playing. And that's it. That's literally set up, added to your Apple account, locked to your account. As you can see there, you have a tiny little Phillips screw. It enables you just to place a small coin in there. You can place a small coin, twist it, take it off, change your battery. Remember, it's CR2032. If you look on Amazon, just do a search on Amazon for CR2032, and that will bring up lots and lots of different variants of batteries. Always follow the ones with the ratings. You know, people have bought them and they've worked absolutely fine. And try and stick with, you know, the better brands if you can, especially Panasonic and things like that. You know they're going to last the distance and do exactly what. I will throw a link in the description anyway, because I've just replenished all the batteries in all my AirTags for my car and my motorcycle and keys and everything like that. I've literally, I ordered about 20 batteries and they were very cheap. I will throw a link up in the description. If you want to go and have a look at what I got, click on the link and get yourself some spare batteries. Also, just as an FYI, if you're searching for batteries for these kinds of things, always go into the specifications and look for the shelf life. Some batteries, again, probably some cheaper, nasty ones, the shelf life is a year. Again, with Amazon, you don't know if they've been sat on an Amazon shelf for a year and a half before they're pulled out and distributed to your house. So always look at the length of life that these batteries have. You know, a lot of them have 5 years. You know, go for those bigger options for batteries, because you want to know that even if it's been sat on a shelf for a couple of years, it hasn't depleted in its capacity, and you're still going to get a few years use out of it. And obviously, once you've taken it out of the packet, you're going to get your year's use once it's, you know, in the actual tracker. So yeah, that's it, guys. Very plain and simple, very quick. This is literally just to showcase that. So as you can see, first and foremost, these are $50 each, and then you can buy these silicone key rings. Again, they're flimsy, they're quite strong. I've never had one break, but I'm more concerned about the fact that they can slip out of them quite easily. These are shielded in a hard plastic cover. You can put a key ring straight through that hole, put it on your dog's collar, anything like that. As soon as you attach that key ring and attach your chickies, there's no way that AirTag is going to separate from the casing, because it's actually built in. So right now, like I say, they're 50% off. I'll throw a link in a description. Go and click on it. I don't think there's much time left with regards. I'll just check for you now. Yeah, so they're still showing $69.99 for the dual pack, but 50% off, which is auto applied at the checkout. They're saying delivers in 3 to 5 days. So yeah, this is an absolute go, guys. Like I say, I've had a lot of stuff from Journey. I've never had a problem with them. Everything has been delivered pretty promptly. Nothing has broke. Everything has just worked. Everything charges good. All the cables are good. No issues. So yeah, go ahead and check them out. And if you like them, if you've already bought these before and you already use them, drop a comment. Tell me if you've had any positive, negative experiences, anything like that. I'd be, you know, interested to hear from you. But if you do grab them, again, drop me a line and let me know how you go. If you need any help with anything or any advice because you're new to the iOS ecosystem, don't hesitate to drop me a message. I'll come back and reply straight away, and more than happy to help you along. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. That is the Journey LOC8 Finder Fob Duo Pack. So if you like this video, if it helps you out in any way, please drop me a like. Thumbs up would be absolutely great. Subscription would be even better. If you want to, you know, look at all the other videos, I will throw links up, you know, for the other videos I've done from Journey. A lot of good Australian companies out there making a lot of good products. You know, and I think they should be recognised because they do a good job. The customer service is always good. Warranties are always good. And I've never had an issue with anything from any company. So yeah, it's all good. So until the next one, thank you very much for watching, and I'll speak to you again soon. Take care of yourselves and don't let life get the better of you. Bye bye for now.
Thank you for joining Pom in Oz today, and don't forget to hit that like button.